Here in Kentucky, signs of renewal are underway as floodwaters recede. Frankfort and the Buffalo Trace Distillery were heavily affected by the high waters. The distillery has resumed shipping spirits and hopes to reopen its bottling operation in the coming days. However, executives say the task of inspecting the bourbon barrels touched by the high water will take some time. Across Frankfort, over 500 homes have been damaged with dozens destroyed. It could take months to recover from the flooding, but city leaders say the community is stepping up in a big way.
And it's our community coming out in droves, and we appreciate that.
Absolutely. It's been very heartwarming that the community all around us, Lexington, Louisville, everybody is, Somerset is reaching out to kind of help this whole community in the county and in the city. So if anybody needs anything, please feel free to reach out to us.
Teams have started the cleanup inside Buffalo Trace Distillery. As of now, the distillery will still be closed to visitors.